Normally never see people who speak English, Mikes. Thought so.
Doing a goal, mate.
I thought so.
You
You want the girl, mate? Oh, you want the girl, mate? I thought so, you squeaky guy.
Sniper, get down!
I don't even understand what you're saying. No, this random squeaky voice changer guy.
Let's go for the trick shot, yeah. Oh wow.
He's gone.
Stop.
Trick shot. Oh. Oh. We'll lose it so bad, like 60.
Stop. Stop.
Wait, oh, I just saw you die.
Stop.
Yes. How did I get that? What is that like?
Oh.
What? I swear I got that. I need to be a
What, mate?
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
You're the one that's
He's done.
mate. What?
Enemy patrol!
I'll give it y'all.
I'm out.
Oh, mate, I'll give it y'all. I can't.
Hostile hunter.
I don't even understand what you're saying.
UAV inbound.
How did I get him off of
Sniper,
that?
get down!
What? How did I get him off of that?
What are you saying?
I didn't have nothing to fix it like
Why did you send me a friend request?
Lol. You said
What?
friend request.
EKIA!
Who even is that? Ah!
I don't understand you.
UAV
Don't tell me
awaiting
to shut
orders.
the fuck up.
Oh my god.
Care package inbound.
Why are you even speaking?
UAV inbound. Hunter killer
I'm
drone
speaking
deployed.
to this squeaky guy. No, okay. This is literally what he sounds like.
Lit.
That's what you sound like. I don't understand you. Your voice is too squeaky. I don't understand you. You sound like
Hostile RCX.
no. This guy sounds like a retarded version of Jerry from Tom and Jerry.
Oh my god.
What are you saying?
Where are you even at? What are you even doing with it, man? Like, oh!
Maradona.
Yeah?
We've pulled forward.
Can you hear him?
No, because I knew everyone. Wait,
No.
What's his name?
Unmute.
We're losing this fight.
Unmute Jake 220903.
Jake what? Oh, that's
Jake.
Profile has
Yeah.
not been achieved.
Oh my god!
RTB for retasking.
That was annoying.
Or you? I know, right? You want to go, man? What are you even saying?
Oh my god.
He's like,
I
do you hear me now? I can't even hear you, man. Jesus. Now can you hear me? Yeah, now I can hear
Oh, that
you.
noise.
Make a fucking retard, come on then! That voice is even worse.
Anyway, guys, what's up? Hope you guys. Anyway, so today I'm with this guy called Sticker. His YouTube channel is iPhantom. So yeah.
No,
Say
you
hi.
just invited me. Hi!
I bet you can hear you. Now they can hear you.
Hello!
Oh my god. that's all.
The squeaky guy invited me. No, no, man. But he invited me though.
Right?
Something. I have no idea. Oh, I forgot this was my turn. It's gonna be very hectic. It's gonna be chaotic. I'm using words which I've used like one
I
time in my
got
life.
hit marker.
Sniper
I
down.
got hit marker.
Dry.
Damn! Die!
I tried to trick shot.
Sniper
And
down.
I got hit
Yeah?
marker again.
How?
Basically, I tried trick shotting, like it was a rubbish trick shot, and then I lose scope. It was a hit marker, and then I went upstairs. There was a guy like upstairs, and then I lose scope him, and then it was a hit marker. I was right in front of him.
Snipers down. Move on. Shot out.
Oh my gosh! I got 2 people.
UAV inbound. Friendly RCXD inbound.
Stitched him up.
Bruh. The amount of rape is happening here is amazing.
What?
The amount of rape is happening here.
Enemy down.
So, you like that kind of stuff?
Changing.
Bro, they're getting raped, I swear. They're actually getting raped. Ah! I have 9 kills.
What is happening?
What? Where are they? Like,
I've got you.
This gun! I just right there. Put down. Press is just the worst idea.
Mover.
have you ever felt at night? You're gonna vomit and then you vomit. Have you ever felt that feeling like? I don't even know what I said right now.
It's normal. You feel like you're going to vomit because you're going to vomit.
Yeah.
What? I mean, it doesn't sense.
I don't know what I said.
Oh my god, that was the worst. The with the Semtex throwing.
Oh, that flopped so badly. Like, I tried doing a cross the map and it hit the roof.
Why does my peacekeeper have suppressor? Why does my ballista have suppressor?
Sniper down.
Hostile UAV above.
Oh, get it. Oh, wow. The way everyone's just,
Shot out.
everyone's just rubbish with the oh, no.
Including you.
I don't know that at all. Wow! Who's throwing this to me? That's amazing. I got a hit mark on the trick shot. That wasn't a trick shot, but still. I got another hit marker. Are you serious? Wow. Why, man?
UAV
Why
inbound.
you not speaking?
I'm tryharding. Joking, because I'm out of ammo. Jeez.
Sniper.
Yeah. I was tryharding, trying not to die.
Got a threat.
But too bad. As As soon as I try hard and try not to die, and then this is the game is basically over for me. What was that aim?
I almost got
What was that aim? I told you, this game's just over for me.
Sniper down.
oh shit. Oh my god.
Got a bad guy.
Peppa Pig.
Friendly RCXD inbound.
Bruh, my intro's so crap right now. Wow, you stole my kill.
UAV inbound.
I stole everyone's kill. That was epic.
Oh!
Custom. Yeah, I was on. There is an enemy on top of us.
Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this dude.
Look at this dude. There's someone in there. Go on. Go in there.
We didn't even
Die
realize
for
I
me.
was behind him. Sniffing
Oh,
his bum.
he killed him. Oh, and there's the guy. Oh my god, the guy didn't even die.
What?
There's the UAV. There's...
Don't quit now.
And there's the counter UAV.
Friendly
That's
counter UAV inbound.
Confirmed.
Oh yeah.
Kill confirmed.
Yes, me.
Shot out. Single shooter.
Hey!
Drone deployed.
Oh my god.
Wow, the lag.
No! Connection interrupted! I was doing
Yes,
yes!
we
I
won.
got the final kill because of lag.
We
I
won.
got the final kill because of lag.
I've got you.
I got the final kill because of lag.
Wow.
I
was
got
about to trick shot.
I got the final kill because of lag. 20 kills! I told you that guy was me.
You got 24 kills. 24, I can't get more.
I got 4 kills.
That's rough, right?
I got a merciless, I got a triple, got a 2 double kills, I got 2 bloodthirsties, I got a fury kill, killed 4 enemies in one time. Damn, I'm doing mute tongue. It's about that time that they don't.
I look at that Pikachu, so cute.
Your Pikachu so ugly.
Oh my god, what even is this? Ah! What even is this?
What's that?
You can see that. What is it? That's a freaking fucking thing. Guys, something happened.
De personnes.
Oh,
Maradona. Continuez d'inviter les gars. C'est bien.
no. Can't do it.
Bien. J'étais tout seul. Il y a Maradona qui a rejoint. Maradona, faut inviter un max.
There you are. Let's go pull it, man.
Let's do what?
Pull it, man.
Public. Team deathmatch?
Yeah, yeah. What are you doing? Is that people? Is that meant to be people? Not even meant to be people. Bruh. Oh, look at that hat.
Take it to him.
I think I'm not gonna
Advised,
do
hostile
this.
UAV incoming.
Oh my What?
Hello. Oh my god, we joined the match and I didn't even notice. So, are you still recording?
What?
Are you still recording?
Yep. Oh.
Contact on me.
Oh my god. Legit, guys. Why are you here?
Hostile lightning strike inbound.
Ah! Oh.
Eyes on me. On your feet.
Ah! I know speaking.
Patrol.
I don't know.
So how is that guy beating us?
Want to get paid? Move it. Get moving.
Scan has completed. Warning. Universal Driver Updater has detected outdated drivers which need to be updated immediately. Click on Update All to get the...
What?
What's that?
What?
Hostile stealth chopper inbound.
That voice.
That was
Something
like,
about updating.
That was my computer was,
Your computer talks by itself.
yeah. My
You were
computer
on
was
up level and once. The world needs to know about this, man.
I know, right?
You try.
Like, how is that happening? Well, I mean, he did
Be
that
advised,
myself.
hostile UAV incoming.
I'm just behind you.
Hostile orbital VSAT online.
No, you know.
Now move. Shooter in range.
How did I get hit?
He's
No,
gone.
I'm done. How did I
Want to
get
get paid?
hit?
Move it. Movement.
How did you even get hit? What is even hit?
On your feet.
This is it. Pick it up.
Oh, thank you.
When you
What? Right, guys.
When
So
you
I was
watch
just,
someone
I'm just editing right now,
by hitting
and
Now move.
I just found something. Look at the scores. That's the only thing I'm telling you.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, this is my channel now. I'm
Hostile lightning
recording
strike
this.
inbound.
So it's gonna be on my channel and not his.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Want to get paid? Move it.
To get across
You
the
can
map,
all go subscribe to me
That
instead.
one hurt our reputation.
find the kill cam was on me. I might. Find the kill cam was on me.
Can't confirm.
No way. No way. Who said that? Who said haha?
No one.
The final kill was on me. No. What is this? Why do people play this game anymore?
What?
Why?
People?
Why
Why
is
what?
so many people? I don't want to hear anyone anymore. Raid, let's go. Come on. Come on. Sticker.
Neutralize all hostiles.
Sticker. Speak with me. Speak with me.
I got you.
I'm lonely now, guys.
Contact. Shooter.
Oh, win this game. We're alone. Oh,
He's gone.
I didn't get that. Okay. Guys, we're alone. Don't forget it. Alone. We've got to do this. Very good. So, you got raped. Oh, now we start.
Threat spotted.
Oh, no, I can't. Oh.
Reload.
Why is this happening?
Hostile UAV above.
I was raping everyone in Newtown. Now I'm getting raped myself. No way. What is this anymore? Why do people play? I haven't got through yet. How is this possible? Let's go! Up. 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 Yeah. Nice.
Hostile UAV
Nice.
above.
Shoot her down.
Nice. Double kill. Oh, nice. I like it. Nice! Sticker decided to leave us, so like we have to be alone today. Dude, doesn't matter. We're low enough. We can do low. So. Guys, if I could kill you, I swear. I don't know. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave a like if you did. I'm just going to join it quickly. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, say bye. No? No? Say bye. Say bye. No? Okay. Bye, guys.